Hello guys, a video from my car as every Saturday with weird shade of sunlight, but I do enjoy the spring coming here in Lithuania, so people are wearing sunglasses more, and I'm planning a trip to Cyprus in a month, which will be even warmer, so in general good vibe. And today I want to answer a question from one of you on YouTube, which is how to not stress after work, basically. This question may have in different flavors and different options. It's very individual, but generally, for example, if you are thinking about the code, about your current feature at work, how to not bring that stress home to your family, how to feel present, how to be present, and how to not be overwhelmed. And there are various even books on the topic and videos and courses how to be mindful and how to lower the stress, but my recipe is pretty simple. Think about what matters in the long run. So in the long run, in 10 years, in 5 years, what you have as a current stress, as a current feature you're working on or project you're working on, it will not matter. What will matter is relationships with your family, with your closest one, and your happiness outside of work usually. Work is a means to happiness, not the other way around. Of course, there are exceptions, but generally we work to sustain our lifestyle and our families, so that is more important. And also people often say they stay after hours and work more because the family needs the food on the table, right? And that is true, but there's some limitation to that. So I've noticed in my case and in many cases of others, there's some minimum limit of like food on the table you actually need and your family needs, but then it's all about your ambition, how much more you want to earn for your family. Especially if it comes to your children, which needs your attention and your love more than your money and food on the table. There's a quote I've heard once, not sure if it's a direct quote. Imagine your child, your son or your daughter saying this to you: "Daddy, if I eat less, will you stay at home more?" And this is what you need to know about how to not stress about work. Do not bring stress from work to home because home is your priority. If you do have some unfinished business at work, unfinished feature, stressing about management or something, try to put that away and fully focus on the family and on your life outside of work first. Be genuinely interested in your family's activities, in your children's homework and stuff like that. And then another kind of practical tip: if you want to stress about work and about features to implement tomorrow, the next day, think about them before sleep. It wouldn't work for everyone because some people would start stressing and then would find difficult time sleeping, but for me it works really well. So when everything died down, no noises around, it's just me and my thoughts in bed, I sometimes try to manually prepare for tomorrow. What are the priorities? How would I solve this or that problem? And often come to unexpected solutions. And this video is actually ironically shot from my car at the time when I'm going from the office to pick the daughter from school and then get home and then get to family. And this is where my priority is. I often say, even answering to your questions or your emails, that I don't have time to make a code review or help you individually because my work time is almost fully booked for current activities and everything else is family time, which is sacred, and I would not trade that for any hourly rate. I hope my ideas will make you think about something, but of course everyone's situation is individual. So if you have any more tips, how do you cope with stress after work, how do you stop yourself from thinking about work at home, share in the comments below and let's discuss. Generally also I started reading and watching more about a topic called mindfulness, so being present at wherever you are, like now in my car or with family or wherever. Mindfulness is quite important, so you can Google around, watch some videos about that. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.